HPLC profiling of Withania somnifera. Withania somnifera, also known as ashwagandha or the winter cherry. It is used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to increase longevity and vitality. The tuberous roots of this plant are medicinally important, and these are widely distributed all over the world. Here are some descriptions on this plant. The plant is unique in possessing the largest and structurally most diversified set of withanolides, the biologically active chemical constituents. Pharmacological studies demonstrate therapeutic actions of one or more withanolides in the herb. There are many types of withanolides present in Withania. High performance liquid chromatography or high pressure liquid chromatography. The parts of HPLC includes the C18 column, the LC6AD pumps, which has an injector, the SPD10A detector, and the Hamilton syringe. Next is the sample extraction. In this, the Withania somnifera roots were percolated 4 times with methanol is to water 1:1 ratio at 25 degrees centigrade plus or minus 2 degrees centigrade. The methanol extracts of finely powdered roots were further extracted with chloroform. The samples are then evaporated and the residue was reconstituted in 500 microliter of the respective solvent. Further, it is filtered through a PTFE membrane and the filtered extract is then injected into the HPLC apparatus for further profiling. The sample used were of HPLC grade. All solvents and samples were filtered through a 0.22 microliter size filter. Degassing is done by sonication for 40 minutes. The LC6AD pumps pump in the solvent using high pressure. Purging is done so as to remove the bubbles from the solvents. Next, the C18 column is washed before adding the sample. HPLC graded standards are injected through the injector pore using Hamilton's syringe. After it's standardized, further about 20 microliter of the sample is injected. It moves through the capillary and the secondary metabolite contents are analyzed. The contents elute at different retention times and the retention time and peaks are tabulated. Further, the elutes are collected in the collector. Separation of compounds was observed in the form of discrete peaks. Using the standard present of withanolide A, the secondary metabolite was identified. This picture shows a standard chromatogram of withanolide A. Similar peaks were observed between the sample and the standard, thus further analyzing the constituent. Ayurveda, the knowledge of life, an ancient holistic system of medicine from India. Its aim is to provide guidance regarding specially designed treatments, food and lifestyle so that health can be optimized and illness healed. It gives happiness, healthy disease-free long life, makes you tension-free, relaxes mind and provides knowledge about life. Ashwagandha has antibacterial activity, an Indian traditional medicinal plant against pathogenic bacteria. They possess strong antibacterial activity against a range of bacteria like Salmonella typhimurium, as revealed by in vitro agar-well diffusion method. It did not induce lysis on incubation with human erythrocytes, advocating their safety to the living cells. Finally, the antibacterial efficacy was determined against experimental salmonellosis in BALB by C mice, giving positive results. Withania somnifera have anti-stress effects. The extracts of the plant roots contain substances with GABA mimetic effect which define its use as a tranquilizer and anticonvulsant. Glycosides of Withania somnifera like cytoindosides 7 and 8 exhibited significant anti-stress activity recommended to treat trigeminal neuralgia and addictions. The HPLC profiles depict the constituents present in the plant for anti-stress effects. The Vithafurin A from the root extracts and which underwent the HPLC analysis also shows the anti-stress effects.